Can't find the new Draw feature in Instagram chats? Here are the quick fixes. Check account status. Open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom, tap on Profile icon. At the top right, click on Menu icon to take it to Settings and Activity. Next, scroll down to the More Info and Support section. Here, click on Account Status. You will find that Instagram may restrict new features. It happens if you violated any community guidelines. Update Instagram. Go to the App Store or Play Store on your device. Search for Instagram app and check if any update is available. This Draw feature is brand new, so you need the latest version. Reinstall Instagram. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Here, click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and look for the Instagram app and tap on it. Then, click on Offload app. After some time, reinstall it. If you are using Android, long press on the Instagram app. Click on the App Info icon. Then, choose Storage and Cache. After that, clear the cache. And click on Clear Storage. This forces the app to refresh and download the newest features. Check the Draw tool. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to the Messages page and open any chat. Then tap the plus icon at the bottom. You should now see the Draw option like this. And that's it. From now, you can draw anything on your chat screen. For more Instagram videos, subscribe.